Hi everyone! We're doing item revamps with Dollar Tree items and paint. You'll be able to use this in your decor for Thanksgiving and Christmas, so you'll get multiple holiday uses out of it. Let's jump right into the DIYs. I picked up 3 ceramic acorns and 2 pine cones from Dollar Tree. They're a little too shiny for me and I wasn't that crazy about the metallic colors. So I'm going to go ahead and paint them with Ceramcoat paint by Delta. I'm in love with this paint. This will give them a high-end matte ceramic look, and the acorns I will further embellish with other items from Dollar Tree. This here is after just 1 coat. You will definitely need 2 coats to cover up the dark color. They all look so beautiful now as they are, but I wanted to further embellish the acorn tops for more texture and depth. I grabbed 3 small spools of ribbon from Dollar Tree and I cut the ribbon in strips from one end of the acorn top to the other side. Hot glued them in place. You keep hot gluing strips of ribbon until all the white is covered. On my last acorn, of course, I started to run low on ribbon and I had to cover up the white with burlap that I had on hand, and I just cut it into strips. I was able to hot glue some decorative ribbon on top of that. I thought these came out so adorable, the pine cones too. And here they are, all displayed together. For more easy and inexpensive revamps, I will have a link at the top. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.